Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set Spotify music or song as ringtone on Android. First of all, make sure to have an updated version of Spotify, and once you update the Spotify app, go ahead and open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are simply logged into your account. So once you're logged into your account, just go ahead and play a specific song that you might want to set as your ringtone. But if I just tap on the three dots next to this song, you can see I have all the options to hide this song, to add this to my playlist, to view my artist, to share, or to sleep timer, or everything else. But you can see that I'm not actually being able to do that. So the reason is because Spotify has not yet updated a feature that will allow you to set songs at the ringtone. Even though you are a premium user, you will not be able to set any song as ringtone. That is why it's simply not going to work. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.